In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change layouts inside of a collection list using Webflow. Whether you're looking to give your website a fresh look or just experimenting with new designs, it's a useful skill to have. Let's get started by navigating to the Webflow website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in webflow.com. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to create custom websites easily with its visual builder. Once you're on the Webflow page, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you haven't already, make sure you're logging in with the correct account that has access to the projects you want to work on. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This area is essentially your control center in Webflow, where you can see all your projects listed. Now go ahead and click on Dashboard to enter this section. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this space if you haven't already, as it gives you at-a-glance information about your project's SOI status. Within the dashboard, locate the project you would like to modify. This might be a personal favorite or the latest one you've been working on. Click on a project to enter the editor view of that specific site. This opens up all the internal workings of your website, which is where we'll make the layout changes. Once inside your chosen project, you want to focus on locating the collection list wrapper. This is an integral part of your Webflow project where your data from dynamic collections is listed. Clicking on the collection list wrapper highlights it, and it will be your main point of interaction for the next steps. With the collection list wrapper selected, direct your attention to the tools on the right side of the screen. You'll see a Style tab. Click on Style. This will allow you to access a multitude of design settings. In Style, you're able to change colors, typography, and most importantly, for today's task, layout. Now, we move to the final click. Within the Style tab, find the Layout section. Click on Layout to bring up your options. Here, you can adjust how your collection items are presented. Whether you opt for a grid, a flex box, or any other configurations, the choices you make here are crucial for how your users will experience your content. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully navigated how to change layouts inside a collection list in Webflow. This approach not only keeps your design intuitive, but also ensures your site's layout is aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!